Welcome to the OnLux training educational video for how to use the neck garment, otherwise the cervical wrap. Simply attach the battery to the garment itself. You will hear an audible click. At this point, place the garment around your neck and Velcro the ends together. Now simply press the on button to the battery. You will hear an audible beep, and at this point, the photobiomodulation treatment will start. Your red light and infrared light therapy starts once the battery is pressed on. The device will run for 5 minutes and shut itself off. At the conclusion of the 5-minute treatment, you will hear 3 audible beeps from the battery itself. At that point in time, you can remove the garment. Typical session lasts 5 minutes to be performed 3 times per day with at least 2 hours between sessions. However, your prescribing physician may have you on a separate protocol depending on your specific situation. Thank you.